everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're walking through the process of installing the latest iOS 18 on your iPhone. Whether you're eager to explore the new features or just want to boost your device's performance. Now it's time for a crucial step, backing up your iPhone. It's essential to protect your data in case anything unexpected happens during the update. You can back up to iCloud or use iTunes on your computer. Make sure this is done before moving forward. Once your backup is complete, you're ready to update. Here's how. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on General, then Software Update. If iOS 18 is available for your device, you'll see it listed here. Tap on Download and Install. Enter your passcode if prompted, and the download will begin. The installation process will follow, and your iPhone will restart several times. After your iPhone restarts and completes the installation, go back to Settings, then General to verify that your iOS version is now iOS 18. And that's it. You've successfully updated your iPhone to iOS 18. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. If you run into any issues or have questions, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.